Google has officially turned the page. NotebookLM, the AI research tool we've come to rely on, is now Gemini Notebook. This isn't just a name change. With over 30 million users and 600,000 organizations already on board, it's a strategic shift into Google's core AI ecosystem. AI. It all started as Project Tailwind, an experimental AI-first notebook designed to ground large language models in your own data. After a year of testing, the experimental label is gone. Gemini Notebook is now a stable, enterprise-ready pillar of Google's AI strategy. One of the biggest under-the-hood upgrades is the addition of a secure cloud computer for every single notebook. The AI can now write and execute its own Python code natively. This means it doesn't just summarize your data, it analyzes it. From identifying trends in massive spreadsheets to performing complex statistical operations, the tool has evolved from a researcher into an analyst. Miles Files. You likely know it for audio overviews, those viral podcast-style conversations between two AI hosts. Now, those overviews are interactive. You can jump in, ask questions, and steer the conversation in real time. But the multimedia push goes further. The new video overviews convert your documents into structured, narrated slide presentations. And for mobile users, short video overviews provide 60-second vertical summaries, perfect for quick consumption on the go. Deliverables are also more flexible. You can now export your insights directly into PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even structured JSON for technical workflows. The integration of the Nano Banana Pro model even allows the tool to visualize your sources as detailed infographics. The rebrand also breaks down silos. Your notebooks now sync directly with the main Gemini app, allowing for a seamless research-to-mobile workflow. Google is even integrating these capabilities into search, letting you access your own grounded knowledge base while browsing the open web. Technically, Gemini Notebook still relies on Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This ensures the AI stays grounded in your sources. As of mid-2026, the entire experience is powered by the Gemini 3.5 family of models, offering faster and more accurate reasoning. Critically, Google maintains that your uploaded content is not used to train their global models, providing a secure environment for sensitive research. This consolidation is a clear signal. Google is building a unified AI ecosystem to compete at the highest level of productivity and enterprise SaaS. The transition from NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook marks the tool's coming of age, from a laboratory experiment to a core productivity engine. It's no longer just about surfacing information. It's about executing tasks, analyzing data, and turning notes into outcomes. And there you have it. Tech, at list nicely. Subscribe for more.